Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Peeled Jax. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw a sideways oval for the shape of the head. Now top and side, and let's draw two small rectangles at the top for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now top underneath, and let's draw a line down in the center. And then 3 more lines out on each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Now underneath each shoulder, let's hop down and let's draw a line down for the sides of the torso. Now underneath on each side, let's draw the hands. Let's start with a curve in and back out underneath each side. Now from the top, let's curve it out. And then let's hop back in and let's draw a curve on an angle that's longer for the next finger. Now let's add another bump next to it. And then 1 more to close off each hand. Now that we're done the hands, let's hop back up and let's add the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it down. And the same thing underneath. And then 2 more angles back down to the hands. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath each hand and let's continue the body by angling it down and out. Now top to the center and let's draw a small curve. And let's bring these down slightly longer than the outer line. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and down. And then close off the bottom of each one. And lastly, let's add 2 curves inside each foot, like this. And that's it for Peeled Jax. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!